I've just stripped this apart. Did you see what I saw? What you could make out of this? I did straight away. This is where the chain went, on the back of there. Put a handle on it, and what happens, look, let me show you. You see what's happening? Of course you do. So all we need is another wheel there on elongation, and we got a ready-made roller. I'm going to take these off and turn them on the lathe. So we want that on there to go up and down, right down to there. Well, let's start building it and see what happens. Royal wedding in. No, not me, no. So what we're going to do is clamp that bastard. It is hot. That's everything else is in my life.
That door is stuck. I tried to open it, wouldn't budge. Oh. Fucking retard. I've done an egg to go with my pizza. Bacon next. Flatten that, get rid of this back ring. Just like that. So that is going to be the piece that goes in there. It's not the easiest stuff in the world to cut because it's a cast. I'm sure that moved. Yes, it did. So I've just done that sort of look. Just got rid of the muscle. So it's nice and flat now. Hot. See? Clever. Not burning myself. We got a spare one, so if you want to do the spare one, you can put a dip into it to take a dippy thing, you know. A tubey sort of one. We can do tubies as well. Tubies in love. Need this one out now. And then we're getting pretty close. It's been a right bitch as far as leaving is concerned, which we knew it would be. But you only got the 3 to do, so now I've only got the 1 to do. Start it up. Right, there is all machine pretty. This one's going in there, and it's going to drop down into there. Like that. So we're going to elongate there. Okay. And then the rest is simple. Let's just put a block there with us. And up and downy. Up, down, up, down. That's the easy bit. Where do you put the batteries? Which we could do is put a step in the back of there. I like to play a game that is so much fun. It's not so very hard to do. We now need a block with a thread. Right, what I've done is I've elongated that and I made a T-bar. So that will fit into there, look. That would be nice there, because it is just touching that. It's not actually touching it. Don't believe me? There, look, it's not actually touching it. Which it does, look. So we're going to go for that trick. Right. What I did, I took a bit out of the back. So we're getting more thread. We're getting more thread through there now. You let it cool down first, Rob. In case you're an impatient fucking twat. Fuck me, that's odd. Right, I got it in the leaf and I dropped it on the floor. I won't tell you how, because you wouldn't want to know. So now that should go on there and it should miss them cogs, which it does. And it goes down further than it used to, so we're on a bit of a winner. That's going to go on there. That's going to go on there. And that's going to go on there. So we're happy with that.
I had a girl, Donna was her name. She ripped me off cause she thought I was insane.
I want that to fit in there. You know what I saw, don't you? We're cleaning up as we go along, you see. Why must I always pick up fucking hot things like? They're on here somewhere, so fucking mad. Oh yeah, there. And that's going to go in there like that. So we are going to do that nut up. As if we mean it. Like that. About there should do. Then this is going to go on there like that. You see? And then I want to get the socket in there on the nut. To make sure we can get a socket in there on the nut. Now all I need is a zizzer and a zizzer, which is, as good people call, a decent fucking weld. So now we need a fucking good welder. Anybody know a good welder? Switch on power. Let it warm up for 3 weeks. That's not running very nice, so I'm going to tack it. You're not going to tack it when it's up there, mate. Let's bring it down there. I got one of them and I've just took the top off it. That's all I wanted. That's going to be a ram. It's hopefully going to fit into there. Why?
The ram's going to go into there, and that's going to fit on top of the T-bar as tight as we can get it. So all it does, it'll pull it up, and then that will actually push it down as well. So what we're going to do now is take ½ inch out of the T-bar, fucking carefully. You know what I mean? So the ram pushes it downwards. Takes a bit of the pain away, doesn't it? Poke the hoist. If it ain't goats, just fucking poke the hoists. There it is. It still spins. So when there's an handle on the top of there and a nut there, that'll be pulling it up and down. I know a lot of you already knew that. But there was at least one that didn't. And that's the one I was talking about. You come here to cry all this way just to cry in front of Rob. Right, we're gonna bow down there. Do what you want me to do. I'm a flying chicken. A chicken for money. Just tack it on for now. That's it so far. We're going to drill holes through there now so we can bolt it down to a table or a bench. Something like that. And then we want a handle on there. Quite a heavy bit of kit. I'm making a disc to fit on there, so we can, because this is alley, I can unscrew that and then we can come off there with the handle. The fork handle. The fork handle. So we want a hole dead middle there. We want a hole that fucking big dead middle there. That should fit on there. Sooner or later, we're going to drill 3 holes now. Through these little holes. If you're wondering why I got the orange glove on, is that scab there is open, so it's in the place where you bend, the scab just cracks open every bloody time, so I put a glove on just to keep a bit of dirt out of there. If that's okay with you, like. So now it's back on the original flange. How's that for a wordy? I left a 16th on in case we got to mushroom. So we're happy with that anyway. See, is he watching? Jace, we're on the way over to you. You know, that one don't sound like fucking bacon cooking.
What does that sound like?
It sounds like something fucking burning through your safe. With one of them Lanceys, like. I go. It's gloves by the way.
How did you tighten that? You gotta get it back up. Well, then we didn't put a socket in it. Oh, that's cool.
I just got back from Jason's, as you obviously just saw. And we're all happy with this. We're very happy with this, but we got to finish it down in the valley, number 16. It's not a 16, it's a 17. And look, 16, 18. So some lazy old bastard has to put 17 back. I want a well done on that, man. Thing is, I can wander around for days and not find anything I'm looking for. So it's just pointless fucking wandering. But I was quite surprised how nice that is. Switch on. How easy this is. God. We were quite shocked at actually how smooth this is. You know what I mean? So we know it's going to flatten that tube, but at least it's a bit of bloody metal. I'm doing 3 turns a time. She's just flattening the pipe at the moment. She hasn't started. Now it's started to go, as you see. One, two, three. I'm quite happy with that. Well, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to drill holes in there so we can bolt it to the table. If you see a bit of flap there, that's that sheet is rocking. Right, there you go. Thank you. I've lost the circlip off there. Should be on there. Believe me. We will find it. Very happy with this. It works a treat. I'd like to thank Jason. He made me the wheel, so she can be bolted down somewhere or other. It's pretty nice to steer, like, you know. So thanks for watching, and what else am I doing? Oh, I'm doing something. You know me.